Hello dear friends, welcome back to Top Lesson for you. Friends, we are discussing about the muscles of the back region, and in that we have discussed about the trapezius muscle, the latissimus dorsi muscle, the levator scapulae muscle, right? Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the rhomboid major and rhomboid minor. So these five muscles are present in your back region. So let's go for it. What is rhomboid major muscle? Rhomboid major muscle is a broad quadrilateral muscle that originates from the spinal process of second to fifth thoracic vertebra, right? It's a broad quadrilateral muscle of the back region, we can also say. What is its shape? Its shape is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it has four angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this muscle is the rhomboid major muscle. You can see also here. What is the location? It is located in the back region, right? Back region means behind the or posterior to pectoral region. What is its origin? It arises from the spinous processes of T2, T3, T4 and T5 vertebrae. T2, T3, T4 and T5 vertebrae. So this is the origin point. If you can follow the cursor of the pointer. What is the insertion? It is inserted into the medial border of the scapula from the level of spine to the inferior angle, right? This is the scapular spine and this is the inferior angle. So it is inserted into the medial border. This is the medial and this is the lateral border. The medial border of the scapula from the spinal level up to the inferior angle. What are the actions of this muscle? It retracts, elevates and rotates the scapula. Retracts behind, elevates it and rotate the scapula. What is the blood supply? It is supplied with the dorsoscapular artery, deep branches of transverse cervical artery and thyrocervical trunk. This is the blood supply. And what is the innervation? It is innervated by dorsoscapular nerve, which comes with the branch of cervical trunk and it comes from C4 and C5, the branches of C4 and C5. So friends, this was about the rhomboid major muscle. Now the next muscle is rhomboid minor muscle. Major means big and minor means small. So above the rhomboid major muscle, here is a small muscle which is in this shape. This is called rhomboid minor muscle. The rhomboid minor is a small skeletal muscle on the back that connects the scapula with the vertebra of the spinal column. It's quite true. This is your scapula and this is your vertebral column or vertebrae. So rhomboid minor muscle as well as rhomboid major muscle do this function. What is the shape? It is rhombus shaped muscle. And what is its location? It is located inferior to levator scapulae and superior to rhomboid major. You can see here this is rhomboid major and this is rhomboid minor. So superior to rhomboid major, and in this part here you can see this is your levator scapulae, and below the levator scapulae here you have the rhomboid minor muscle, right friends? What is the origin? It originates at the ligamentum knuckle and C3, C7 and T1 vertebra. So from two parts it gets its origin, two vertebra, C7 vertebra, cervical vertebra number 7 and thoracic vertebra number 1. What is the insertion of this muscle? It is inserted into the medial border of scapula superior to the insertion of the rhomboid major muscle. This is your rhomboid major muscle and superior to insertion of rhomboid major muscle. This is the area where rhomboid minor is inserted into the medial border of scapula. What are the actions of this muscle? It draws scapula superior medially and rotates glenoid cavity inferiorly, right? So when this muscle is pulled up, is contracted, your scapula will move superior medially and your glenoid cavity will rotate. What is the blood supply? It is supplied with dorsoscapular artery, deep branches of transverse cervical artery and dorsal branch of upper 5 or 6 posterior intercostal arteries. So from upper 5 or 6 posterior intercostal artery, there is a branch which is called dorsal branch, and that supplies this muscle. And what is the innervation? It is innervated by dorsal scapular nerve, which is again comes from C4 and C5 vertebrae. So these two are the next muscles present in the back region. So friends, what did we discuss? We discussed that the your back region muscles are 5 in number, and muscles of back. Before that we had discussed about muscles of pectoral region: pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, serratus anterior. This muscle was there, and then there was subclavius muscle. So 4 muscles were present in your pectoral region and 5 muscles in your back region. Trapezius muscle, I hope you have watched these lectures. Then latissimus dorsi, and then levator scapulae, then rhomboid major and rhomboid minor. So these 5 muscles are present in the back region. Now in the next lecture we are going to discuss about the muscles of shoulder region. So friends, we are making these notes, these short notes about the muscles of the body. So if you want us to send you these notes also, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. I will give the WhatsApp number in the description of this video, so you can contact me. We will provide these lectures, these PDF notes to you guys also. So friends, see you guys in the next lecture. We will discuss about the muscles of the shoulder region. Allah Hafiz.